Prior to our IQMS implementation, we were several years behind where we needed to be from a technology standpoint. We felt it was critical to be able to integrate our software with our engineering packages, and IQMS provided a great vehicle to do that. That integration has allowed us to significantly increase our speed of manufacturing and reduce costs across the company.
We utilize IQMS software and SolidWorks software in our complete process, from the design phase to production monitoring, inventory control, shipping, and packaging.
We have 4 different companies working out of 5 facilities. We do the design for all of these companies on SolidWorks, and every one of the 5 facilities uses IQMS to operate. The combination of both of those softwares will continue to help us grow in the future.
We've been using SolidWorks for many years. The speed with which it allows us to integrate with our customers' drawings is a differentiator for us in the marketplace.
By utilizing IQMS, which is known for its manufacturing end-to-end complete solutions, along with SolidWorks 3D model capabilities, we have the best of both worlds and allows us to be a leader in our industry.